Alright, the Varelian Dota man is back. Hello. Hello. Are you alive?
Oh.
No. Okay, very good. Now we have to find a match. Find a match, please. Okay, please. Find a match. Not find a match. It's very sad, you know.
Uh-huh.
It's very sad thing, you know. It make me very sad every day. I almost feel like I must cry, but I not cry. I am very strong man. I think. Maybe. I don't know. It's very sad. Ending. I look item for Lina. Give me good item for Lina, please. Burning hair. I don't like burning hair. Has a lot of glitches. I like this. Why do I like this? I don't know. This is cool. I really like this. But it is like poor made. Oh, 2013.
What are you?
Lina set hair. But hair is very bad made. Very, very bad. I like this too, I think. Hair is bad made too, but a bit better. Alright. What does my friend say? I am a crazy comedian, man. Do you know that? Hello! Crazy man.
I don't listen.
Why not?
Too good.
What are you talking? Don't lie to me. I am the craziest man in the world. Oh, tragic day. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. I am ready for kill, okay? Are you ready? Why do I have song name there when I don't have song? What the fuck?
For kill? What the fuck are you talking?
I talk much shit. You don't know. Look, I am so crazy. I make crazy people face on my stream. Look. Now I'm the crazy man, okay? Now I make okay. Now I make very crazy. Very crazy. It's very crazy. Look, I make crazy face on my stream. Are you ready? Wait. Why is there nothing on my stream?
It's a lovely day outside and here you are playing Dota 2.
Okay, now I need to make properties. And then I go. You wait for me. You wait for me.
My daughter crash.
What are you talk? What are you talk?
My daughter.
Ha ha ha. Why is this not work? Select region. Wait for me. I make a region with a very stupid face. Alright. Now I have select region. But it not work. I'm go crazy.
We have to play game, you know?
No, I make move top. Why is this not work? This must work. Luxembourg, my land. I don't care. I go meet with I go winter range crazy man. Alright. Now I have to fix that. You wait a minute. I must fix. Wait.
There are so
Remove.
many complaints about the Russians in Dota.
Remaining.
Russians Dota very good.
No.
Yes. Make this, and then I make
By
this.
courier.
What is courier?
Who by courier? Me or the Glyphy? I don't know. No, Glyphy is not the man. When I talk about.
We have.
Glyphy is Sven, he not by
we may
courier.
have problem.
I buy one courier.
I must wait a me. Wait a me. I must do buy
top with
me this, buy me this, give me this. Давай,
On
давай.
top with me, throw
I know.
Ranger.
All right, now I need entire.
Wind. Top.
What is with me?
On top.
You fuck you.
On top. I don't want to be
You
with that.
fuck you. I go mid.
No, mid
The
is
hardiest, hairiest. What are you? You are the hairiest man. Fuck you. I not even into what you say. Portuguese girl. Are you crazy, man? I report you
Who
from
says
my
me?
stream because you say stupid stuff, man.
I don't say stupid stuff.
No, not you. I say stupid man in the
30
chat.
seconds.
Fuck you. Look at me. Now I have stupid man face here.
There's no man in
Right.
chat. There's no chat.
Alright, now I have stupid man face.
I watch you stream. There's
Where
no
I
chat
come?
at all.
I come to Glyphos. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
There
Fuck
is
you.
no chat.
Fuck you. Look, sniper. It's raining. It's raining bullets. You must pay attention.
On my way.
Stun him. Stun him. Stun him. Stun him. Stun him. Stun him.
Please
Good.
just
Look
bear
at
in
school.
mind I'm
Merci.
trying my best here.
Dude, get back. You're dead.
What the fuck? There is Ricky or what? Bounty hunter. Kill the man. Kill the man.
Bruce Blood.
Kill the man. Kill the man. Kill the man. Kill the man.
Hit those
Kill the man.
other streets.
Alright, I killed the man. Very good. Now come.
Blow you a kiss.
Come, my friend. We killed the man. You're the good man. Look at me. I am crazy. I am the crazy. Ha ha. No, I don't delete
go.
that, man. You're now famous. Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Don't say
No.
again top lane.
Attack.
Try lane.
No, you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. You don't get that.
Denied.
This is mine.
Here. have
Okay,
an
we need
arrow.
sentry ward. Give me sentry ward,
Gotcha.
please. Fuck you. What you do?
Ninja.
Stun the man. 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 Oh, you have no mana. Why you have no mana?
I gust onward.
Whew. I'm crazy, man. I'm the craziest man in the world. No, I
I'm
know.
way
I am
ahead.
not crazy man. I am crazy ranger. I am the crazy ranger, my friend.
You craziest woman.
No, crazy ranger. You not know grammar.
Go,
I'm
go,
crazy.
Power
Red-
Rangers.
I not. I am Portuguese ranger. I forget. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Already moving.
I am already moving. You know. Are you moving already? Hello. Are you moving already?
What moving?
Are you my hero say
Of
already
course.
moving? You know. Okay.
I watch your stream, there is nothing.
There is a face on my. Look at my Wind Ranger. It is very sexy. Kill the man! Kill the man! Kill the man! Don't kill the man! Don't kill the man!
What the
On my
fuck is
way.
that picture?
That is Portuguese Wind Ranger. You don't know?
No.
Why you not know? Okay, when the man come, you kill him. When the man come, you stun him and kill him. Okay?
I'm way ahead.
Kill the man! Kill the man! Kill the man! Kill the man! Okay,
gust
don't type me.
onwards.
Okay, but kill the man. You crazy?
Okay.
No, he write me. Okay, I prefer he kill him. Kill the man! Kill the man! Kill the man! Kill the
Oh, I
man! Kill
took
the
the
man!
wrong skill. I took slow.
Ha ha! Now the man is dead. See, very good play, very good.
My elbow strength.
You listen to
grows.
me, you get the easy kill, you know. I am
As the arrow flies.
I am pro player, whatever. Now, we go this.
Already
Give me this.
moving.
Already moving. I am too.
I
Very
took
good.
wrong skill on accident. I'm very stupid.
Missing bottom.
I
Missing
go.
the bottom, just so you know. What
took
are you
slow.
do wrong skill? How you can take a wrong skill? Are you stupid, man?
I played 9 years no Warlord.
Fuck you. Now, let's see some response. Ha ha ha, stupid bitch.
I
Okay, not
gust
bitch, but
onward.
that was very mean. I don't care. I am stupid, man. I don't care what I say.
Easy breezy.
You're
Alright.
not a man, you win the Ranger.
I am the crazy ranger. Thank you. Oh no, I not get rusted.
Missing bottom.
Oh, you didn't need that.
What is he trying to do? Oh fuck, fuck. Let me alone! Creep!
On it.
Fuck you, creep. I kill you. What is he trying to do? You wanna die?
Is it raining arrows?
You try to die! I kill you. Do you have mana? I know you not have mana. Get mana.
Reap the whirlwind.
Red!
Of course. Attack!
Alright, I already have my boots. Like 4 minutes, what the fuck?
Witch Doctor, just go curse me.
I have boots, we are 4 minutes. Can you tell me what the fuck is going on? Kill the man, kill the man, kill the man, kill the man, kill the man!
Taste my arrow.
Oh, you're so good. Oh, I am so
Wind in
good.
your hair.
Why does Witch Doctor use
You make
curse?
me happy, man. You make me really happy. I am happy Portuguese, man. Look at me. I'm so happy. I'm smiling. Now I take
I'm way
this. I
ahead.
take this. I go here. Then I go here.
Every
Then I go
coin
here.
helps.
And then here. And now I make my face bigger because I'm small face. Alright. Now
Missing
I am
bottom.
very good Portuguese, man. Wind Ranger.
On my way.
I am Porto Ranger.
Go, Porto Ranger.
Very good song. Very good song. I am the Porto Ranger.
Pardon the
I got
interruption,
Fuck
sir,
you!
but it's a
You
field
juke
call
me,
for
what the
your
fuck?
middle tower.
It was very
It
good.
says it's being
I am impressed by
destroyed.
your skill. Kill the
An
man! No,
arrow
no, don't
flies.
kill the man, not kill the man.
Super skill abuse.
Oh, I ran to tower! Why do I run to tower? I am scared of towers. I do again run to tower, what the fuck?
I'm way ahead.
Top is missing.
Top is missing.
Double
Oh,
support.
look, the
offline
man is
rocks.
here, the man is here. Don't kill the man, don't kill the man, don't kill the man, don't kill the man. Let me hit the man first. And when the man is down, we kill the man.
Witch Daddy is missing.
And when we ask the man, what is your name? He say, the man is my name.
Raining arrows.
Now the man is already low. I could easily solo kill him.
As the
But
arrow
I am too
flies.
scared of the tower. Because I have no wind run. Because I am the Porto Runner. The crazy Porto Runner, you know?
Missing
No, fuck
bottom.
you.
Stupid.
Fuck you. What are you, stupid man? Fuck you.
Okay, stop it.
No, you stupid. No, you stupid.
Already
Look at
over.
him. Oh no, you gotta kill him. Come to me. Kill the man, kill the man, kill the man, kill the man, kill the man. Why you not kill the man?
On my way.
I almost killed the man. Look at him.
Bad medicine.
Top is missing.
I go take a rune. Please don't die. Thank you. That would be very, very, you know, nice of you. Oh, I am an invisible man.
Invisibility.
I will
You
hide.
woman.
Wait a second. I need to watch what the reply is. I am Porto man now. Porto Ranger
Top is
now.
missing.
On
Alright. I am in tower. We can kill the mans. Wait till I say kill the man. Okay? Da. Let
Of
me look
course.
first. Are you ready to kill the man? I kill the man.
The Witch Daddy is missing. Oh no, it's
Thank
not.
you.
Middle tower is under attack.
I am the killing spree.
Tower is missing.
Stay dead.
I am
Top
so
is
good.
missing.
It is not even possible
I
to
gust
count
on.
my very good skills. You know,
One.
my skills are out of measure.
I count.
When
One.
look, when I type in game skills, it say oh error
the
or
arrow
code.
flies.
You're way too high. You know,
Sure.
I am too much to skill man.
Stop saying things. He
Look
will
at the
try
man.
to write down skill
Missing
in chat.
bottom.
What am I write down in chat?
Keep catching
Write
up.
down. Exclamation mark skill.
Nothing is gonna work. That would be very bad if it would work.
It would be very funny.
Because then my mod would over. I think my mod have already done something, or hasn't he?
At them.
Look at this man. Look at this man. He's so stupid. Why do you not kill? Oh, you have no mana. Why do you have no mana? Get the mana, you stupid man. You have to get the mana. Get the mango.
I go.
Mango is good item for mana, man. Why do I right click? Now I can chuckle him and then ulti him. Like this. Look at me. I chuckle him and then I make this. And then I make this and then I ulti him.
Focus.
Oh wow, you survive. And I may be dead. No, I'm not dead. Oh wait, the bounty hunter is missing. He maybe kill me.
Of course.
Please don't kill me. I would be very happy. Thank you.
Illusion.
Bounty Hunter killed us both. He top.
He top. Okay, very good, very good. Then he not kill me. That is good.
He killed me.
Your
Okay,
middle tower
okay,
is
okay.
under attack.
He gonked me hard.
bounty hunter, very smart man, I think.
Already moving.
The first kill
Your
of the
middle
team
tower
here.
is under attack.
I get melee storm first item, okay? Okay.
Do what you want. You pirate, you are free to do.
On my way.
I am very good thing, you know.
No, you not. Go to hell.
Fuck you, fuck you. Okay, my friend have
I'm way
stun.
ahead.
Now we can kill someone. Not yet, not yet, not yet. Go back, go back. You must play like you very scared, you know. Make them think you're, oh, I am so scared, you know, I am so
Try this
scared
on
of
for
them.
size.
Now kill the man.
Shackled. Incoming.
Now the man is dead. You see? Very easy that
Way
game.
ahead. You've been shafted.
Mind game.
Wait! Save me! What is he trying to do?
Oh.
Oh wait, I am dead. No, I am not dead. I am track. I need bottle.
Yeah, track.
I am track. No, yes I am track. I need bottle. I go bottle.
Middle is missing.
I am track. What the fuck is this? Crazy man. Okay, I need picture back. Okay, picture is back.
Dire structures are fortified.
I am the
Of
portable
course.
ranger.
Go, Teenage Porter Ranger.
Now, Sven,
Your middle tower is
Glyphos,
under attack.
Glyphos, come to tower. Go to tower.
Missing bottom.
Glyphos, go to tower. Please, Ermine, go tower. No, not this tower. The other tower, our tower. Are you crazy, man? Don't kill yourself.
Is missing.
The
Why would you go
enemy's
to
top
that tower?
has fallen.
Okay, stay there. I give you mana. I am very good friend. I give you mana. Look at me. I have glitch. You see, and my bottle is still full. This glitch, but not tell anyone. Okay.
Don't
As
tell
the arrow
anyone. It's not
flies.
glitch, it's trick.
Fuck you.
Black
fuck you.
magic.
Aha. Okay. Давай. Come. We make a kill on the man.
Wild winds rising.
What is
Bounty
he
man,
ping on my
the bounty man is gonna try to kill me, and then we kill him. Okay. Давай.
I gust onward.
I
On
maybe
my
need
way.
Orchid Malevolence. Kill the man.
Already moving.
Kill them. No. Go back. You go too far. Stay here. He
Dire
come back.
structures are
He come
fortified.
back. Wait for him. Wait till I say kill the man. Kill the man. No. You see, when he go far behind tower, we are fucked. That's why we stay close to tower, but not behind tower. We only go behind tower when we have creeps here. And now we have creeps, we can go behind tower. Okay, kill the man.
Pin.
Hello, I am very big creep.
The man is coming back. Pay attention.
He is rich.
But he's dead. Kill the man.
Of my feet fly.
Alright, we killed the man. Get the fuck back.
I am very big creep.
As the
The red
arrow
coat.
flies.
I am a red creep.
Enemy.
I'm a rare species. Oh, Sven has been destroyed. Poor Sven.
Middle is
Why do you
missing.
stay tower? Are you crazy?
Oh.
They kill you.
Your middle tower is under attack.
Look at this man. Kill the man.
He has booty, I sure.
What has he? He has dead.
Another arrow in my
I
quiver.
killed the man.
I killed the man. I'm very
Fuck
good
you,
killing
fuck
spree.
you.
Killing Warlock.
Fuck you.
Warlock too strong.
I am killing spree too. When they kill me, they get too much
way
money.
ahead.
Trust me.
If they kill me, they got too much money too.
No, they kill you, no problem.
I already
my
died
way.
once.
I never die. I am too strong.
Super
You have no
only.
mana. Oh, you have fat golem.
I go.
Okay, make fat
I have
golem
my
when they
little
come.
friend. His name is Fluffy, Max Fluffy Fluff.
Okay, there is a Wraith King with no red spawn. When the red king come, you make a ulti and we kill him, okay? Давай.
There is
Ulti
the
the man. Oh no, now ulti the man.
Missing
Okay, he's dead.
focus.
Okay, kill the sniper man.
Already.
Oh, I have mana. I am so sexy, man.
I'm not ready.
Shackle the man. Where is my
Oh,
hero?
shut up.
On.
Fuck, there is an ulti man.
I go home now. I have very good job. There is a Juggernaut.
Okay, I go
I-
back because there is
Hold
Jugger
on.
man.
Hug
And
the
I am
wind.
track, I am track, I am track, I am not track. I am very not track.
Golem, go farm jungle. Very good at it.
I have donate
I
$1.
guessed
I am very
onward.
good. Look at me. I can go Gamescom soon. Oh, I have 67 days left. If I get $1.5 a day, I am very go Gamescom. Давай.
You go against go anyways.
Oh yes, I have
I'm
bottom.
way ahead.
Fuck you. I not go Gamescom.
You not go Gamescom.
At
I
the moment,
fun.
I really don't have money. I swear to God, I am kind of fucked.
My mellow.
Put this away for later.
Gamescom is expensive, you know.
You've got my wing
Yeah,
up.
you can go there. You don't need to buy shit.
Look, Juggernaut, he ultima illusion. What is he stupid or something?
He does not like illusion.
Dude, there were two
Yarrow
illusions.
flies.
How could you not know that this is illusion?
I tell
Who?
you, he does not like
There are
them.
two people. That can only be illusion. What the fuck? There is only one of my hero in the game because there is only
My
one
range
Porto Ranger.
increases.
Now I have hiccup. What the fuck?
Here, have an arrow.
Which dog the random moves?
Alright, I have the strongman with me. We can go. Давай, strongman.
Of course.
Oh my god, Whale
Okay,
King got...
strongman,
lot left.
kill them fast, please. Now my ulti on tower. Hit the tower as fast as you can.
Here goes.
If somebody come, please stun them. I need to kill the tower. There is nobody coming. What the fuck? There is no one coming. Why can I kill the tower with no problem? Okay, when tower is dead, we go back very fast.
Fortified.
I have been tracked.
Okay, go back now, go back now, go back now. Very fast, very fast, very fast. Because they come, they come, they
We
come.
got their
Trust me, they
bottom
come.
tower. Rock on, Tommy.
Look, go back. I
Already
just show you.
moving.
Look at me. See, there he is, already come. See? I told you he
I'm
come,
way ahead.
then he come. Juggernaut disconnect. Yes, he's very scared of us because we rape him and his friends. Like Sansa Stark. Macho rape. Alright. What I buy now? I buy now.
I'm very dead. I
you
get
fuck off.
sniper.
I talk to me. I buy now.
That's a sofa.
Örket my level lens.
Stun!
Okay, I am with
go.
Ranger
Too
again.
late there.
Okay, not bad, not bad. Strongman is better at this game. He is playing good now.
Missing middle.
Strongman,
have saved this
buy Strongman. You need to buy Aghanim
Strongman
Scepter or
items.
BKB.
What Aghanim Scepter on Strongman?
Yes, with me and the rest, Strongman can kill. We can kill with the Katka.
There is
Middle
Invis bounty.
tower is under attack.
I know he tracked me, but I don't care.
Gust onward.
I killed them easy. Okay, that may be bad.
We all have wars to fucking.
Catch
I
my
don't give
point?
fuck. Do you have Ult Scepter? Why you not have Ult Scepter? Go fucking away from me!
Good.
I don't want to go be with you.
Wow, the
What?
good skill.
Very
On
good,
my way.
smart play. Okay, now we go. Kill the mans. Kill every single one of the mans.
Oh,
Okay, then kill the tower when creep there.
If you get good power shot, you're both dead. Shackled.
here,
fucking
have an
failed.
arrow.
I
You
got
need to
them,
kill
these
both.
stupid man.
You got one, not two. If you got two, the sniper die.
Ah, not sure of that.
As the arrow
Just kill the
flies.
mans. Just kill the mans.
Oh no, Jagger not too strong.
Juggernaut to dead, you mean?
It was both.
Kill the tower, you man. Now kill the rest.
The
the
enemy's
rest,
middle
Aaron.
tower has fallen.
Stun the mans.
Of course.
Alright, kill
Oh,
the man.
oh, easy kill.
I run like the wind.
That was fail.
Ha ha ha.
Oh,
I
power
go in
shot
this,
too
but I
strong.
kill
Your
it.
bottom tower
I am
is under
pro
attack.
Wind Ranger.
Structures
I am not
are
Porto Ranger
fortified.
anymore. I have give up on Porto.
I go.
Leave
Look,
those
a power
kills.
shot.
Die to the tower.
Very much fail power
Your
shot.
bottom tower is under attack.
Please hit the tower because I don't want to die.
Meet the whirlwind.
I healed you. Heal you.
You don't heal me, you what?
Go hell.
Your bottom
I heal other
tower is
people.
under attack.
Give mana, you stupid noob.
Radiant structures are
Do you want my
fortified.
I can
mana?
instant kill the tower.
Try
Say
this
please.
one for size.
Please give me mana.
Okay, I will give you mana.
Please! Oh, thank you.
Of course.
Now I kill the tower. Please keep me safe.
I bet that there is one.
Please keep me. Oh no, I go fuck. Fuck this.
Your bottom
I go home.
tower is
Then
under
really
attack.
hit me. Save the glyphos.
Oh no, the Glyphos is going home.
Oh no, Juggernaut.
Hey, you
Oh, Juggernaut OP.
Juggernaut, good bot.
The bot is better than the player himself, what the fuck?
Excuse me, sir, but it's your top tower. It says it's being destroyed.
What is top tower? I don't care about top
Either
tower.
Haribo bear. Wait, what?
It's not
Hurry up.
time yet.
Get
Your
the haste
top
rune, very
tower
good.
is under attack.
No, haste you motherfucker.
Saved for a rainy day.
Look at my, I'm a so fast ranger.
As the
I'm a
arrow
hasted
flies.
ranger. I still lost it from tower, I'm very good.
Already moving.
Why do I use speed boots? I don't know, boots of very much speed. Look at you, fuck you.
You've got my wind up. Wild winds
Right, that was very
rising.
good chance. Oh, Warlock has
I
Agan
gust
and
armor.
Scepter. We have good Warlock, my friend.
I'm way ahead.
The Warlock has the track. Warlock, why do you have the track on you? Get
Because
the track
Monty ran
away.
in to track.
You better get the track away from you.
I don't care, I kill him if he try to kill me. I have Aga.
You watch a stream. Look at me, I go Italian Ranger now. Are you ready?
Oh my god. I wait.
Second, I must go there. There, now I go Italian Ranger. Watch me.
I know sound.
I go-
It's delay, it's stream, so I don't care.
Crazy Italian Ranger. Okay, давай. Now, I am crazy Italian Ranger.
I don't see it yet.
I am the crazy Italian Ranger.
I still wait.
I don't care about you, wait. I am the Italian Ranger.
On my way.
I am, I may be a bit retarded because my tongue is out of my mouth and I don't know why. I cannot keep my tongue in, you know.
That's a two
It's a problem of me health. My health is very bad, you know. Because I am Italian Ranger, you know. I am Wind Ranger, but Italian. See, see, hide this in Italian Ranger.
Oh my god.
What is problem?
That Italian Ranger picked this.
I am Italian Ranger. I win every game. Look at me. I have not died. I am 7-0.
Feel
I
the
never
wind
die
in your
because I am
hair.
Italian Ranger, you know.
I am 2-6.
Fuck the script. Okay, now I go suicide. Fuck you.
I run like the wind.
You not track me, you stupid man.
On my way.
I hit you. I hit you.
As the arrow flies.
I am Italian man. Italian Ranger. I am a redhead Italian Ranger.
Taste my
I am the
arrow.
rarity of the rarity. Look at me. I kill everyone. I am such a good man. Ranger.
Already moving.
I have Orchid Malevolence in 2 minutes maximum.
Oh,
Now I have Maelstrom and Orchid Malevolence and the Fetz Boots.
That's exact.
no expiration.
And
date
I am
on
an
this.
invisible man. An invisible Italian Ranger. I am track! I am track! I'm idiot!
My feet fly.
I'm maybe idiot! I'm maybe idiot! I'm maybe idiot! I'm
Attack
not
the
idiot!
crabs.
I go.
So we
Save
make
my
damage
life!
to
Save
them.
my life, please!
Who cares for your life?
Okay,
Go to hell.
I live.
An
That's all
arrow.
later. Oh, what are you people do? Kill the man.
Of course.
I miss. Oh, what the fuck?
What is this fail ulti? Oh, I slow you back, bitch.
Wait a me. I go take a
I
rune
gust
and then we go
armor.
kill. Давай.
Go in, fuck the rest.
Okay,
No
fuck me. Fuck
exploration,
them.
already
Not fuck
moving.
me. What the fuck?
Oh no, if you ulti me I dead. Oh, good job, Sven.
I
Kill him.
am the Italian Ranger. I steal the kills. I not steal the kills.
There is a bounty hunter.
Incoming.
Oh no! What am I do? What am I do? What am I do? I cannot die. I am Italian Ranger. Save Italian Ranger. Italian Ranger must survive. No, I feel the punch. Oh, where is the bounty man? Run!
That's a two.
Run!
my
Let the
way.
Zeus feed.
I'm your god.
Alright,
too.
kill the man.
You stupid. They will kill me.
On it.
They will try to kill him.
Oh no, oh no.
Your top tower is under attack.
This is unreal. Slow the man, 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 slow the man. Run! Kill the man,
Excuse me,
kill the man,
sir,
kill
but
the man.
your top
Run,
tower,
run, run!
It says it's being destroyed.
Alright, he's dead.
This is true. He
Look,
is the chosen one.
Italian Ranger monster kill man.
Of course.
Your
I
top
am the
tower
best
is
pro
under attack.
Italian Rangering man in the pro world.
Radiant
I
structures
go win
are
international
fortified.
6,
The
you
arrow
know.
flies.
Not international
International
5 because it is
tower is
very
under
late for
attack.
international 5 to win. It's crazy.
They have too much Brandon in game. Really.
Italian Ranger
Orchid
win
malevolence.
all.
I gust onward.
Your
Italian
top
Ranger
tower
is
has
best
been
Ranger.
denied. We're detecting high levels of circus.
I have very good inventory.
Meto, meto, meto.
A step ahead.
Look at my inventory, it's very pro.
Your bottom tower is under attack. Ding dong.
I am very strong.
I
How
go.
do you like my inventory?
I don't care about your inventory, you're a fuck man. Oh no! Kitty, kitty, what are you do? Are you feeding again? Thank you. Please don't feed them, if they get fat we have very big problems. Because they
Done.
have this man, and they have half of this man.
You're another way.
Why can I
It
not
doesn't
ping this
matter.
man?
They lost
The
2
whirlwind.
life for killing me. My golem's very angry if you
Okay,
kill me,
давай.
you know?
Taste my
Go
tail.
golems, push top lane.
Alright, now I go Aganims. I go Italian Aganims Ranger Scepter.
You know, left of golem, his
Already
name
moving.
is Fluffy, and the other one is Puffy. They're good
Please
friends.
make lightning, now.
Is it
No.
raining arrows?
Thank you. No one at base, I killed tower.
Focus.
Dire structures are
Alright,
fortified.
now they know I here.
Under
I am
like a
fucked.
Their
wind.
tower's doing that woo thing.
I am
Fortified.
As the
fucked.
arrow flies.
No, I
I
am
pushed up
survived.
with golems.
I
but
could
golems-
silence the bounty man, but I forgot.
On my way.
Because I am too strong for this game, you know, this game is very easy for me.
They 3-man gank me and lose 2 men. What the
gust
fuck?
onward.
So stupid.
Look at this. Rune
I have
still here.
Perseverance.
Sage
Go
for
mid
a rainy day.
and we win easy Katka. Da. Do you have
Go
ultimate?
to
You
go
not
to
a-
Dingy. Come here, Sven. Sir Sven.
Radiant
Sven, come
structures
to
are
the...
fortified.
It's not Sven, it's the strong man.
I'm way ahead.
I don't
Strong
care.
man and Italian woman. Ranger man. Okay,
And what
strong
do I
man.
old woman in the rest or what?
Okay, Sven man, strong man. Fuck them bitches, okay, давай.
You've got my wind up.
I have a lantern.
Okay, now Sven man, kill them all, I kill the towers. Okay, давай, very
I
good
go.
problem.
No need to kill them all. The tower is already dead. Care for the
Enemy's middle
cave,
tower has
man. Just
fallen.
kill them all. No problem for ulti, you know?
Oh no,
Only
what the fuck?
if you cannot win.
Alright, very good team.
Save the Sven, man. I
Did you
protect
see
him.
that thing? How do you call that?
My range
Arrow.
increases.
No!
Power
Look
arrow.
at this man. Oh no,
When I
it's a
get back,
surprise.
I heal you. I don't heal you, I get stunned. Sven is correct.
Oh,
Alright, run for your fucking life. Alright, we are 5 man,
Of course.
4 man. Why don't we go
I nearly
in?
got ulti.
Oh no, I
Go
may
in,
die.
like, nearly ulti. Kill him.
attack.
It's just a book.
Kill the man, kill the man, kill the man. Ha 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 ha.
You are just like
Alright.
a dagger.
Bad for you.
Kill the rocks.
Let's go. I make ulti on sniper if he stands still.
Your bottom tower
Save
is
me,
under
he gonna attack me.
On
Look
my
at
way.
this.
Yakama, go stun him. Power punch.
He ulti me, I kill the rock.
I go.
Kill one on purpose, other on
The
accident.
enemy's middle barracks
Good,
has fallen.
good plan.
Großer Mann in
Alright.
Good job, Golem.
ambush.
I am out, I am aus. I am
Way
out.
ahead.
I have problem with HP, you know.
Your bottom tower is under
LOL,
attack.
Lion Egga.
Alright, I go, Italian Rangers go home and now his Winter Ranger is come back.
I gust onward.
And she
Why
got,
did you go
The
home?
got
enemy's
onward.
middle barracks has fallen.
Because I miss my home,
Put
you
this
know.
away for later. As the arrow flies.
Italia, very nice place.
Italia very beautiful, you know. It's a very, very nice place.
You go watch football in Italia. Very stupid.
I am very smart for football in Italia, you know.
On it.
Football in Italia is pro Italia.
Like the wind.
Italia
Football in
is
Italia is
Italia
tradition.
is country city of football.
Gott in Himmel!
Mm-mm.
The square root
Oh,
of
for
the
fuck's
Earth
sake.
Zone!
You're the stupid Zeus who takes rune anyway, so don't even try to tell me there is rune. I know, that was last game. Alright, then you may play easy Katka without me complaining about you. Okay, давай, let's go, let's kill the man here, let's kill that man.
Ah, refresher.
Yes, refresher. Kill the man.
Of course.
Now you have to say a refresher. That's how Warlock says it. He rolls the rare. He's Italian.
Where is the strong man? Strong man,
The
come to
strong man
me.
is on the way.
You need to kill the man. Why is
Boss,
he attacking
strong
me?
man.
Fucking Zeus. Report to Zeus.
Take the power. Okay, I will help you. Magic, magic. I make of. They have
They had
a
a
ward.
ward here and the ward just expired, so the bounty hunter may steal the edges.
No,
I'm way ahead.
lightning.
Fuck you, I take edges. I am the pro.
Immortality.
I let you even kill. Okay,
I
давай,
don't
давай,
kill.
давай, bot the tower, давай, давай, пиздец.
I nearly got double ulti.
I
of
do
Doom.
not care what Zeus ping, I am best player in word.
On
You
my
don't
way.
know.
In word. You're in word.
Word. You need to know
Word
the
of
word.
word. Okay, attack one of them. Good job, you killed them all.
And you probably
I
get
go.
farm, huh?
No, I didn't even get one.
Very good.
Wait the 15 seconds.
Creep spawn now.
I make ulti. Very good ulti, look, ulti. That's my ulti, my new ulti.
Ulti that man.
Here goes.
Oh no, we have no dust.
Oh my god, I need
Oh
that.
no, I have nothing.
Bounty has killed me.
Right. Kill the man.
Tiny featherless arrows can't
Bounty has destroyed my face.
as the arrow flies.
You very fucked.
Who is
I know
fucked?
by word. Next item.
Oh no, I died. Oh, I have ages of immortality. I am the smartest man of them all.
360 power shot, no scope, kill on Juggernaut.
Twice the
I
damage.
gust onward.
Wow, very good. Shackle, 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 run.
It's not
Run,
time.
run,
My
run,
feet
need to
fly.
run.
Oh no, the spell is on me. Now they get 1600 gold.
BKB, 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 BKB.
Activate
Stun
BKB, activate BKB, activate BKB, run! Stun
Turn
him,
around,
stun him,
stun.
stun him,
I'll
stun him,
kill,
ulti and
kill.
hit him. Stun him, ulti and kill him. No, go back, go
Okay,
back, fuck it,
forget
go
it.
back. Go back, go back, go back.
Close enough.
No, you have no life still, you cannot kill him. He
cannot
he
kill
kill
him.
you. Just go back then. I thought you had a life still, then you could kill him with the ulti.
That bitch of bounty hunter stunned me. Kill him.
Bounty, very bitch man. I told you.
I did not know where he was and my ult was not ready. Next time he tried to kill me, I make double ult on his face. I just destroy him with golem. Super stacked it. The best tactic in game, golem.
Golem taktika.
Use golem, win golem. Don't you know? If I see him again, I golem him. He will not survive the golem. Nobody survived the golem.
Meet the prevailing
You're standing
winds.
AFK an enemy. What are you do?
As the arrow flies.
Okay, very dead.
You
What they
see,
have?
we need to push them rocks very fast because they
it.
make comeback.
No, they don't make comeback. Lion was AFK.
Almost there.
Lion very AFK in enemy. Lion very dead.
What am I doing today? You played Dota. What are you
Taste
question?
my
What is
arrow.
that question, you stupid man? It's a really stupid man, I tell you.
On it.
No, I need help you for me survive.
I have secret golem spell. I surround myself with golems so I can't die. If bounty comes too close, he burn in hell. Go golem army.
Why you make golem? Ah, you're
I
there.
have golem shield.
Oh,
I go.
Don't you know golem shield?
Alright, are they all top?
That's a
on my
twofer.
way.
They are 3 dead.
Dire structures are fortified.
Alright, if bounty
I got
hunter not
16,
see me,
don't
I
worry.
kill the rocks.
My range increases.
Okay, sniper
Run,
not here.
Sniper. Brrr, I have golems.
Okay, I kill the rocks.
I go.
Those sods, we got their bum tower. Rock on, Tommy.
I attack Rex with
My
golems.
feet fly. Reap the whirlwind.
Now they have no hero to defend, very good.
Go defeat Rex.
Defeat
My
Rex?
elbow strength.
The
grows.
Swan. Go defeat Rex.
Okay, bounty hunter buy back, I might die.
If Bounty try kill you,
Oh,
use
yeah,
BKB.
their top tower got
I have not
home.
BKB.
Not you, the
The
Swan.
enemy's bottom barracks.
Alright, he killed me, I have withdrawn.
The enemy's top barracks has fallen.
I think he has MKB. Ah, yes, he has MKB, of course. You see, I know instantly.
I buy second refresher. Good plan, no?
Давай.
We won game anyways.
What
We
is
got
problem?
2
1,
Rex. Mid and 1 top and 1 bot.
No, we got 4 Rex, you stupid man.
Why is he riding down Roy? Go bottom. Go to Lion.
That is not Roy, that is a Russian word, you know. Look at the
Why
R.
don't you go to
R is
Lion?
very crazy.
Look at my item build. Refresher, refresher.
Oh, the moon is so beautiful
Got him,
today.
hero.
Maybe the world is going down.
The moon. With the word. What are you talking about?
The moon, look outside. You know, I know you not know what outside is, but outside the house
That secret world
there is
I saw in TV.
there is air and space and things like a moon.
Air,
Moon
air.
is
Are
very
you
beautiful
sick,
today.
man? Do you want me to die? Air. Are you crazy? Oh my god, I die. Horrible
Got
death.
him, hero. That's a 2.
Bounty, so annoying.
Alright, I am back from the moon.
Bounty
I
is very
have
strong.
I have
Next arrow will
BKB.
find its mark.
They
No,
cannot
I
do shit.
I have BKB.
Black King Bar.
I buy second refresher.
I'm
Давай,
It does not
давай.
work like that, I know, but I don't care.
Buy second refresher call Octarina core.
No, I have already nearly second refresher.
Are you stupid man, seriously.
I'm very good. But you know, look, refresher give you so much mana regen.
I know, but Octarine
And
core
20
give you...
damage.
Octarine core give you good too. You get 10 fuck Lotus orb. It's Lotus orb. No, Octarine core give you very very good. 400 mana, 400 I have very
I don't
much.
care. I'm very pro. I buy it double. How is it called? Refresher.
Look at me, I go in back door, I kill the rocks.
You go back door, you evil man. How dare you? They are very good at defend and you just go back door, kill sniper with power shot.
Okay.
Oh my god,
Try
no.
this on
Please
for
support.
size.
Oh, you are fighting followed by a lot of
Right,
angry-
he has too much damage for me. I underestimated the situation.
Buy the ghost blade.
But we got the rock.
Buy the ghost blade.
No, he has Dagon. No, what he has?
Wait, he has Dagon.
No.
He has
His
no Dagon.
attack made 1375 damage on me. One hit.
I got golem ready. As long as I don't die, we win every battle. So I will die probably as soon as.
Make
battle
golem when I tell you. Now make golem. Golem, golem, golem. Golem.
Golem.
Golem, golem, golem.
Golem. Golem power activated.
Now, tell golem, kill tower. Kill Rex.
Golem,
Kill
golem,
tower.
golem,
And
golem,
Sven man,
golem.
where's the strong one? Strong man, go. Strong man, go. Давай, давай. Kill, no, not Rex. We have run this game. Okay, kill the other man, Rex. Kill the Juggernaut, kill the Juggernaut.
One
hit. Okay, kill the bounty man. Very good. Now kill the other Rex. Okay, now kill the towers.
Flipping Nora, we got the top rack.
Now we win. I died 3 times.
Puffy, puffy, la la lula. That's all my golems. Very
Alright.
initiative main, not to think.
The enemy's middle
Right.
tower has fallen.
Alright, I have buyback. I have buyback. But I don't need.
Can't keep a good girl down.
I won't even get there before game end. So fuck this.
You
Oh, this
fucking
game.
fucked with my golem.
This game was very hard. We lost 1 tower. Fuck.
The enemy's middle tower has fallen.
Why are they not defending, man? They have two,
And they only
three.
kill sniper
They
in
have
base.
2 heroes alive. Easy katka.
They don't defend because they're fighting for golem in base.
No, no, no. They are very stupid ones. They could use glyph. They could use buyback earlier. Look at them. They
I
ignore
like
the
your
throne.
career. Follow me.
Look at them. They ignore throne.
Look at me, I got courier.
Incoming.
I killed the witch man.
Dire structures are fortified.
I'm so very pro. I got double flasher and
Alright, JJ, well played. And we finally won. Crazy, 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 man, crazy. And the Zeus is ha ha ha. I don't know why Zeus is ha ha, because he's not very good and not funny. I don't know what you want.
Look
Alright,
at my
people.
inventory.
I am going. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.
Out.